Hello, my name is Chris and I'm with Finale Inventory. This video is a quick introduction on how to import your product list into Finale Inventory and get started using Finale. So starting at the home screen of Finale Inventory, all the imports and exports have been collected in a single spot under Quick Links Import and Export. Let me click that link and we'll see the set of things that you can import and export from Finale. Today we're going to start by importing a product list. Importing a product list will create product records in Finale. It won't actually add any stock items or quantity levels, but it'll give you a baseline of all your products that you have to work with in Finale. You can do this multiple times, updating the records that already exist, so don't worry about if you don't get it right the first time or if some of your data is missing. So I'm going to start. I'm going to click the button, and it's a three-step process. First, I need to copy and paste the data. Second, I'll get a chance to preview my data before I actually import the products. And then third, we'll create and update the product records inside Finale. So I'm going to start in Excel, and we're going to copy and paste the data in from Excel. So here's my spreadsheet in Excel that I prepped. It's just a couple products. Each product starts out with a product ID, and this is the most important field and really the only required field. And this is the unique identifier inside Finale for that product, and it can never change. After that, there's a set of columns for other fields inside Finale. The first row, when you're doing an import, are the column headers, and those names ideally should match the column headers you see in Finale, and we'll get a chance to look at those headers when we get over to the import step. But in here I've got a description column, a category column. The names in the category column have to match the product categories we've already defined in Finale. The name of the manufacturer, a product ID, which is a identifier that the manufacturer uses for the product, maybe something from their catalog. Hazardous material identifier, the UN code, a packing for the product, the item cost, so the per item cost of your product, the price, which is if you're selling by an item price, and a case price. There's a lot of other fields you can import, and you don't even have to import all these fields, but this just gives you a flavor of the fields that are available. So I'm going to select my entire spreadsheet. I'm going to come up to Home. I'm going to copy that spreadsheet. I'm going to go back to Finale Inventory. I'm going to focus on the paste here. I'm going to paste that spreadsheet. Okay, so now that spreadsheet is ready to go. From here you can see the various columns. I see that there are 6 are going to be imported, and there's 1 duplicate. If there's duplicate records, which is basically controlled by the product ID, only the first record will be imported. The following records are just ignored because you can only have 1 product for each product ID. Since the column names match the column names inside Finale, you'll see that each column is defined automatically, and Finale knows what field to bind it to. If I needed to, I could change the column, and I could select this, and then I can map this column of data to a different field inside Finale. We're not going to do that right now, so I'm going to hit Next to go ahead and import these 5 products. I just get a quick summary, then I'm going to import 5 products. I'm going to hit Commit. Those products are being updated. Now the products have been updated inside Finale. I hit Next, and if I go Search, that shows me I see a screen here that has all my products, but the products I imported all started with an SA. So I can do a quick search, and I see the 5 products I just imported. Thank you. And